Kwa kuchunga maisha na mali ya wananchi wa Kenya. Kisii included because tunalipa kodi. Hatuulizi kwa kupembeleza. It is our right. Imewekwa katika katiba yetu, lazima kila mtu apate haki yake. Haki ya mwingine inaisha pale yangu inaanzia. Na serikali inapoangalia mambo yakitendeka namna hii ni kama mchezo na moto. Na sijui kwa nini na hii maneno yote is we say the buck stops with the head of state, Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto. A man who has gone to school, he knows what is right to do. He wrote on a promise of not using state organs and said to punish people. Lakini ameenda akaona kwamba imekuwa utamu kugandamiza watu, and I'm telling you, there is no pressure, no intimidation. Nothing can stop an idea whose time has come. Kenyans have suffered sufficiently. And I want to remind the Honorable Samoei Ruto, there's been a canon of Hague. Hague is not closed. We now signed off the Hague Statute. This thing is like playing with fire. Nobody is safe. I think when this country degenerates, even William Ruto and his family and his friends are going to be victims of this. You cannot stop an idea whose time has come, and Kenyans may at one point say, enough is enough. We don't want to get there. We're not violent. But sometimes you need to stand up to defend yourself. If the institution will fail, the government has failed us, but let's not go there. It's also a window because Ruto's and his administration window is still open and it's closing faster. Before the country degenerates into chaos and anarchy, please, William, step out of your comfort zone. We respect you. You know how with the journey of travel, you will become the first president only after being a very deputy president. I ask you not to lose your legacy. Even if you're exiting, exit with honor and do not waste an opportunity that God gave you to serve Kenyans and leave a legacy. If you don't want to leave a legacy, we leave it up to you. It's up to you to change, or otherwise, Kenyans are watching and we shall serve you the nice portion of poison in the ballot box.